welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer taquitos. These are really easy to make gluten-free. You can add whatever inside stuffing you like, but we're going to focus on beef and bean today for these taquitos. You're going to need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 package of gluten-free taco seasoning or regular taco seasoning, or 2 tablespoons of homemade taco seasoning, 1 cup of refried beans, 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and then about 20 white corn tortillas. So the amount of tortillas will kind of vary depending on how much toppings you put inside of it. But the first thing you want to do is brown that ground beef. Per the package instructions on the taco seasoning, you'll add that in after the ground beef is browned. If you're using homemade, do 2 tablespoons of homemade seasoning with a little bit of water. So once your beef is browned, you're going to heat the tortillas for about 20 seconds on a plate in the microwave. These need to be heated because you'll want to heat them evenly. If you don't heat them first, they won't be pliable and they will rip or tear when you're rolling them. So make sure they're lightly warmed up. So once you have that done, go ahead and spray the basket with grapeseed oil spray of your air fryer or line it, and then you're going to fill the tortillas with beans, beef, and cheese. I like to do it in a straight line right in the middle. And then we're just going to roll those up and place them right back into the basket of the air fryer. So I usually do these in batches. If you're making these in an oven with an air fryer function, then you can do them most likely all at once. But if you have a basket, you may have to do them in batches. So I've got them seam side down here in the air fryer. Then you leave space on both sides and you just spray a little bit of grapeseed oil spray right on top of them. And then this that you're seeing here is when they're done. So whenever they go in, you're going to cook them at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes and then flip them and cook them for another 2 to 3 minutes until they are nice and crispy on top. And then you will just carefully remove those and you can serve them with any of your favorite toppings, salsa, whatever you want to serve them with. They're really easy, really quick to make. These are how you make them homemade. You can also do them from frozen as well. You can find that full recipe over on airfryerfanatics.com. Hope you enjoyed learning to make air fryer taquitos.